Cancel your Linkvertise subscription step by step. Step 1. Log into your Linkvertise account. Go to the website, click Login, and sign in to reach your dashboard. Step 2. Open your account settings. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Account Settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Subscription or Premium section. Scroll down until you find your billing details. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Click the Cancel button and wait for the confirmation window. Review the warning message carefully. Then click Confirm to finalize your cancellation. Step 5. Verify your cancellation. You should see your status update to Canceled or Inactive immediately. An important note: be sure to cancel before your renewal date. Remember, simply deleting your account will not stop the charges. If you used PayPal or a credit card externally, you may need to manage the recurring payment directly through their dashboard. If you encounter issues, like a missing cancel button, check your third-party payment provider or contact Linkvertise support directly. Linkvertise subscription canceled successfully. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step guides.